Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw and color the lady fingers step by step. Use black marker for outline. First start by drawing the basic shape of the lady finger like these. Now draw the second lady finger crossing over the first one. This will make the drawing look more interesting like these. Very good. Now it's time to start coloring. Use green color for the top leafy part. Very good. Then we use light green color to fill the body of the lady fingers like these. Good job kids. Color smoothly inside the lines and color in one direction to make it neat like these. Very good. Don't cross the lines. Very good. And that's it. Your lady finger drawing is complete. Allah Hafiz.